Nature, a masterpiece woven by the hands of time. A symphony of colors, shapes, and life. Today, we embark on a journey of discovery, to unravel the tapestry of the natural world. Behold the majesty of towering forests, where gentle sunlight filters through the leaves, illuminating the lush greenery below. Each tree a guardian, standing tall and proud, attesting to the resilience of nature. Listen closely, for the melody of water fills the air. From breathtaking waterfalls crashing into crystal-clear pools, to tranquil rivers that carve their path through the land, nature's liquid brushstrokes create stunning works of art. Enter the hidden realm of the minuscule, where intricate insects and vibrant birds dance among the flowers. Tell me knots and butterflies unified by their delicate beauty. A reminder that even the smallest creatures have a place in this grand design. Scale new heights and witness the breathtaking landscapes that stretch as far as the eye can see. From rugged mountain ranges to vast deserts, nature's handiwork showcases the raw power and sublime beauty that exists right at our fingertips. But nature's magnificence extends beyond what meets the eye. In the animal kingdom, an extraordinary cast of characters unfolds. Watch as lions roam the savanna, eagles soar through the skies, and dolphins gracefully maneuver through the depths. Each creature a testament to the diversity and wonder of life. Witness the ever-changing seasons, nature's kaleidoscope of colors. From the vibrant blooms of spring, to the golden hues of autumn, each season tells a unique story, reminding us of the cycle of life and the transience of beauty. As we explore the magnificence of Mother Nature, let us remember that we are not separate from this exquisite tapestry. We are a part of it. Let us cherish and protect these treasures that have been entrusted to us. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the breathtaking wonders of our natural world. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more incredible explorations of Mother Nature. Thanks for watching, and until next time, embrace the beauty that lies within our Earth.